Hi everyone, I'm Nas. I'm one of the barista from Coffee Bean, and then I'm going to show you how to make a Spanish latte. You will need 2 shots of espresso, skim milk or hot milk, and then the condensed milk. First, you need to pour in the 2 shots of espresso. After that, you put on the condensed milk. For me, I just use 1 tablespoon, but depends on your measurement. For me, I don't like it too sweet on my coffee. After that, you stir the coffee and the condensed milk until you see that dark brownish or dark caramel. That means your condensed milk and the coffee, it's evenly matched. After that, you pick up your milk, hot milk, and start pouring. What I do is I swirl it to even out the coffee and the condensed milk. After that, I pour on the foam. Then I make 3 layers. And the last one I cut it to make a leaf. And that's how you make Spanish latte.